Hello everyone, welcome to Mech episode. In today's video, we will see about Solidworks angleflange tutorials. Select part. Click front plane and go to sketch. Select the line and start here. Draw a straight line and go like this and return to the point. Now you get the curve. Draw this. Again draw straight line. Go to smart dimension and give this 60 mm. Press Ctrl and select these two lines. Make relation equal. Now give this dimension 100 mm. Make this one exit from smart dimension and press Ctrl. Make this line and arc is tangent. Make tangent. Now the sketch is fully defined. Exit the sketch. Again select right plane and click the sketch and press Ctrl 8 and select the circle and draw from here. Give the smart dimension 80 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Then exit the sketch. Now go to features, select swept boss base. Now select the circle and select the path. We got solid object. Here we have thin feature. Select this and this one is one direction and give the thickness, give 20 mm, give 15 mm and click OK. Now we got this. Next one, select this face and go to sketch. After that press Ctrl 8. Select center point rectangle. Draw like this and select smart dimension. Give the dimension 100 mm. Sorry, 130 mm. And this one is 160 mm. And exit the sketch. Go to features, click extrude boss base. Here we have selected counters. Okay. This extrudes fully, so here we have select extrude contours and select this profile and here click reverse direction. Give the extrude length is 25 mm. And click OK. Now we got one end, and click another end, go to sketch, press Ctrl 8 and again select center point rectangle. Draw a section. Here we give 160 here 130. Exit the sketch. Go to features and click extrude boss base. Here selected counters. Select this area only. Here click rotate view. Give the opposite direction. Extrude length is 25 mm. And click OK. Here we got the angle.